What's up, YouTube? What's up, spiritual community? Before I even start this video, I want to spread and send love to all my friends and family. I want to spread and send love to everybody out in the world right now. You know, especially if you're dealing with a battle right now, going through a hard time. So the police brutality that's happening right now in 2020, it's changing the world like it's never been changed before. Everybody's waking up. So before I made it to my destination to make this video, I saw a protest happening. And I had to stop. I stopped and I went in the middle of that crowd. It was like a, there's no words for how that felt. It was powerful. It was powerful. It felt powerful. Now my nerves was high. Like my nerves was way high. So I had thought about interviewing some people, but I didn't, unfortunately. Anyways, police brutality and like the looting and the raiding is going on. So this is my opinion. It's proven something, right? It's proven that, you know, there needs to be a solution to this injustice. There needs to be a solution to racism. I don't you know, rest in peace George Floyd, and in Louisville, Kentucky, Breonna Taylor. It's a sad time right now. You know, with the C virus going on, with the police brutality sparking back up. But I wanna come at y'all like this. So think about this now. It's 2020. We are experiencing a pandemic that we've never experienced before, at least in our lifetime. We're dealing with police brutality, and it's causing a massive shift in the world. Now is really the time to start thinking with logic instead of pure emotions, because AKA flight or fight mechanism. And I say this because I want to word this right. I want to get this right, because this is honestly probably the most important video I've ever made on my channel. Fight and flight mechanism. You got to have both, but you have to have a balance. We can fight all day with these fists, with breaking into things and destructing things. And that's also sending a message to the authority. That's also sending a message. I am not completely against that. But then we also have to have that flight mechanism as well, which is like the protest, the peaceful protest. I'm not completely against either one, guys. I'm just it's heavy on everybody's hearts right now, and it's definitely something that, you know, I just thought I'd speak about on my channel. It's I'm admiring life right now. I'm just admiring, like, it's a blessing when you're blessed, that it really just means facing adversity and overcoming it, no matter the circumstances. So this is also just like another appreciation video, just of all the chaos and all the madness going on in the world right now. Self-love is the number one practice we should all be doing. Self-love. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. I just wanted to kind of just make a video about the police brutalities. It's not right what happened to George Floyd. It's not right what happens to any colored person, any melanated individual that has to go through all this tyrant that we're dealing with. I'm kind of just improvising it right now, guys, but it's just it's a great time to be alive, and embrace everything. Embrace yourself, guys. Just embrace your journey. Embrace your spiritual journey. It's the LC Mill. Hey guys, life and waves are alike. They never stop.